want peace, and we will work for peace in the region through talks on the table and resolve our outstanding issues, including Kashmir problem, according to the resolutions passed by Security Council and United Nations, even by Indian Lok Sabha back in 1954, when Anjani, Prime Minister Nehru, committed plebiscite in Jammu and Kashmir. We are ready to talk for the sake of peace on water issue with a neighbor. We are ready to talk to promote trade and also counter-terrorism if they are serious. But if they choose to remain aggressor, then we shall defend our territory and our country, like we have done a few days ago by the grace of God. But if they accept my offer of peace, then we will show that we really want peace seriously and sincerely. My dear Brother President, we condemn the untold stories of miseries and atrocities in the land of Gaza, where more than 50,000 Palestinians have been martyred. And as I speak, this story of bloodbath continues. I think it's high time that international community uses its influence to bring ceasefire and lasting ceasefire in that part of the world. Otherwise, posterity will not forgive us. My dear Brother President, Pakistan stands by our brothers and sisters in Iran to promote peace, progress, and prosperity. And we fully support Iran's right to have, for civilian use, peaceful nuclear program. We have had wonderful discussion today, and this shall continue in times to come. And I want to assure you that I'll work very closely with you.